All right, we're now going to disassemble the MAF or mass airflow sensor, and we're going to disconnect this intake, the mass airflow sensor, off of the throttle body. There are three, I believe they're 7mm bolts that come out. One is going to come out here. Be careful with that one. Here and here. I disconnected the electrical. It is my understanding that you should not clean a MAF sensor when it's energized, and you should let it dry all the way before you do it. I'm going to use MAF sensor cleaner as well as throttle body cleaner because it isn't something you do every day. It's best to do it the right way. This is not the time to cut corners. So let's see how this goes. All right, the MAF came off. I will clean it with some MAF cleaner, as I told you before. Cleaner box out, disconnect everything. I'm here, why not? I've got the equipment, I've got the tools, I've got the time. All right, this is after cleaning the throttle body. Yeah, it's dirty. Let me show you the other side. Now, the way I do it is I spray the throttle body cleaner on the microfiber towel. The microfiber towel has been cleaned, washed a couple of times, so there's no loose fibers. And you can tell that I had a lot of cleaning to do. So it looks pretty good. Be gentle with your throttle body. If it doesn't want to be pushed, don't push it. I've been told that some of them are very sensitive, that you can break the electric motor. I've never experienced that, but it's always something to keep in mind when you're doing this. Be gentle. It's an expensive piece. Be very gentle.